Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Are you tired of the usual clatter and steam explosions that come with making rice? Do you crave perfectly cooked grains every single time, no matter your preference for texture, all while keeping your kitchen a tranquil sanctuary? Well, today we're diving deep into the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, model CRP-PHTR0609FS. This isn't just another rice cooker, folks, this is a statement piece for your countertop that promises to revolutionize your rice cooking game. Let's start with what immediately stands out, the quiet cooking feature, powered by its silent pressure system. CUCKOO claims up to 80% quieter operation. Now, that's a significant reduction, and for anyone living in a smaller space, an open-plan apartment, or just someone who enjoys the peace of a quiet kitchen, this is a massive win. No more startling the cat or waking up the household when you're craving a late-night bowl of rice. Then we have the star of the show, the twin pressure system. This is where the real customization comes in. You can opt for high-pressure cooking, which is fantastic for that wonderfully chewy, sticky rice that's perfect for sushi or just a comforting meal. Alternatively, you can switch to non-pressure mode for a softer, fluffier rice texture. This flexibility is complemented by 14 different recipe ideas, available in a downloadable book, which means you're not just getting a rice cooker, you're getting inspiration to explore different rice dishes. Underpinning all of this is the induction heating technology. Unlike traditional rice cookers that rely on a heating element at the base, induction heating surrounds the entire inner pot with precise, even heat. What does this mean for you? Faster cooking times, improved energy efficiency, and, most importantly, a superior rice texture. You'll find your rice stays consistently fluffy and perfectly cooked, batch after batch. Now, let's talk about the practical side of things. Easy to clean is a phrase we love to hear, and CUCKOO seems to have delivered. With a removable lid, a wide steam valve that's easy to access, and a spacious water tray, the cleanup process after cooking should be remarkably straightforward. The removable parts and non-stick inner pot surface mean that daily maintenance is indeed fast and hassle-free, which is always a plus in our busy lives. For those moments when hunger strikes and you need rice in a flash, the quick mode is a game changer. It can cook a single serving of rice in as little as 12 minutes. This is its fastest setting ever, offering that single-serve convenience and time-saving performance that busy households desperately need. No more waiting around for ages when you're in a rush. Finally, the versatile capacity and menu options. The 6-cup uncooked capacity, which translates to 12 cups cooked, is ideal for families or for meal prepping. Beyond white rice, you can explore options like GABA rice, quinoa, steel-cut oats, and more. This broadens the horizons of what you can achieve with this appliance, making it a truly healthy and versatile cooking companion. So, let's weigh the pros and cons. The pros are numerous. The incredibly quiet operation is a standout feature for modern living. The twin pressure system offers genuine customization of rice texture, catering to different tastes and recipes. The induction heating ensures excellent cooking results and efficiency. The ease of cleaning is a significant practical advantage. And the quick mode provides much-needed speed for busy individuals. The versatility in menu options also adds considerable value. On the con side, like many premium appliances, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker likely comes with a higher price point. While the 6-cup uncooked capacity is great for many, it might be too large for a single person or a very small household who only need to cook for 1 or 2. Also, while the downloadable recipe book is a nice touch, some users might prefer a physical, included guide. In conclusion, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, model CRP-PHTR0609FS, is an impressive piece of kitchen technology. It excels in its core function of cooking rice, offering unparalleled customization, quiet operation, and advanced heating. It's designed for convenience, from its quick cook mode to its easy-to-clean components. If you're looking to elevate your rice cooking experience and appreciate a quieter, more sophisticated kitchen environment, this CUCKOO model is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.